If your Ford Ranger greets you with a series of beeps instead of a roaring engine, you are likely facing a specific electrical handshake failure. Statistically, over 85% of these beeping, no start issues are caused by insufficient voltage reaching the starter solenoid. Before you call a tow truck, let's walk through the diagnostic sequence to find the culprit. Start with the basics by checking for loose battery terminals and observing how your electronics react under load. The most common causes range from a simple discharged battery to a glitch in the passive anti-theft system. If you see a rapidly flashing padlock icon on your dashboard, your Ranger's security system is blocking the start sequence. Decide whether to reach for the jumper cables or try a security reset based on these specific symptoms. While a new battery or key programming can cost a few $100s, cleaning a ground strap is an almost free fix. Performing a hard reset by disconnecting the battery can often clear temporary glitches in the security module. Keep these basic tools in your truck to handle most beeping no-start issues while on the road. Always remember that a simple loose connection is far more likely than a total computer failure. Clean those terminals and check your key chip, and you'll have your Ranger back on the road in no time.